Hello, this is Terry Thompson, and this is my CLI Data Gem Project, which will be a scraper that checks the global currency exchange rates. So we're going to get started by bundling a gem, and we're going to call it currency. Okay. Change directory into the currency and open that up in Sublime Text. Okay. And next I'm going to go into the bin, and there I'm going to create an environment type file that we're just going to call currency. And we are going to give that executable permissions. There we go. Okay. Let's exit the bin now, and I'm going to go into the library. Then we're going to build our basic file structure there. And I'm going to create a scraper and a CLI and a currency object. There we go. Got the basic file structure there. Okay. Alright. And let's see. Let's tell Bash to interpret this as Ruby. Okay, and I'm going to require /lib current c.rb. Okay, and we'll do a currency CLI.new.call. And okay, class currency CLI. Let's just make a quick easy call method here. And I'm going to put, this really works. Okay. Let's make a class of currency. Okay. Class scraper. Okay. And from here we need to require everything else. So I'm just going to put require relative. Okay. Let's make everything uniform. And I'll just put /. So there we go. /currency /currency.rb require relative /scraper.rb require relative CLI.rb. There we go. And we've got those in there. Need to slow down a little bit. Get lost in the process. Okay. Let's see, so I have a class. Hopefully don't have any uninitialized constants. Okay, we have that there. Let's save this stuff while we're at it. Anything I didn't save. Okay. Okay, and that should really work. So let's see if it really does. Bad interpreter. No such file or directory. Wait a minute. Let's make sure I'm in the correct one here. Okay. let's go into the bin. Currency's in there, so why is it saying it's not? I bet it's an issue with my bash. Okay, let's put a slash there. I think that's a syntax is all that is. Let's see if I'm correct. Cannot load such file. What did I do now? Okay, let's try again. Hey, this really works. Awesome. Now we're getting somewhere. Syntax will kill you every time. You get in a hurry like I'm trying to be and you make mistakes. Okay, now that we have the framework established, what we want to do is go to GitHub. Let's see here, github.com. Does it sign in? Yeah. Please don't hack my password. Okay, and we're going to create a new repository for this. And of course I'm going to call it, guess what? Currency. Okay, and we're going to create a new repository on the command line by copying and pasting this here. Bam. Look at that. You gotta love you some copy and paste here. Makes things so much faster and efficient. Awesome. So that's in there. And so I'm just going to do a git add dot, and we're going to git commit with a message of framework established. There we go. Awesome. Now we're on the road to complete awesomeness. Okay, we got our CLI. That was really working. Okay, let's start with a currency class. And currency class, what's it going to have? We're going to have an adder accessor of a currency is going to have a name. A currency is going to have a, let's do a $2, and an inverse, which is basically whatever the currency name is, back to the dollar, or from the dollar to the currency. Let's see here. Okay, now that I've got that, let me see here. I got, let's create, I need an all so that I can store all of the currencies. Okay, let's see here. You know what, this is probably the wrong place to start. I probably should start with the scraper. I'll come back to the currency, I suppose. Okay, so I need to require a couple of things. And right now I need to require, let's see here, Noko Giri. And open Yuri, I believe. And let's see here. Yeah. Okay. Alright, let's create a self dot get page method. Okay. And HTML equals Noko Giri. HTML open. We don't know what the page is going to be yet. Okay, so let's figure that out. Currency exchange rates. Yeah, this one. Rates table. Okay. So I'm going to say this one. I'll just copy and paste that there. And of course I gotta have this in parentheses. There we go. Okay, Alright, let's go back to .new.call. Alright, that ought to do for a scraper. Okay, that should get us the HTML page. Let's just do this though. I just want to see. Let's put, it's in the call method. I'm going to put scraper dot get page. Okay, scraper dot get page, and then here, let's just require pry, and just for the heck of it, I'm going to put a binding.pry here, just so we can kind of see what's on the page. Alright, so oh, what did I do? I broke something. Open URI. Oh, it's a hyphen. Okay. Okay, it says this really works. And now we're in pry. So let's just put HTML in. Awesome. And it's all there. Okay. Alright, just go ahead and quit there. Just exit binding.pry. We got what we need. So this is no longer necessary. Okay, so that's got, so yeah. Okay. Now, so the scraper's finished. Okay, so I don't need that in there anymore right now. But actually, didn't I start on the wrong part? I really should be starting with the command line interface anyway. So, let's think about what options we want. So, just for the heck of it, right at the beginning, I'm going to put system clear, because I like to use clear a lot because I just don't like a bunch of trash in my terminal when I'm starting something. Okay, and let's just sleep 1 second, and we're going to put welcome to the current C of the currency. Okay, and then we're going to put for a list of currencies, type list. You know what? I'm going to swap those around. Let's see here. Let's put that there and that there. And then that way I can have real quotations here where the user can see the real quotations. There we go. Okay, we're going to say type list for the list of currencies. Okay. I'm going to need some type of a menu here. We'll just put to exit. Or exit to exit. There we go. Alright, let's make a case, I guess. Let's see, and we'll just put until, well, first I need an input, don't I? So let's put an input equals nil. Okay, and until input equals exit. Case input when list. Pretend this is a list of currencies for now. Okay, when exit, exit. Wait a minute. It says syntax. When exit, exit. There we go. And let's see, I need an end of the case statement. I need an end of the loop. And let's just see if that works. Oops. Hey, okay, let's type list. And it didn't do anything. It got hung up. Okay. Let's see here. Of course it didn't do anything. I didn't put gets.strip. Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay. Input equals gets.strip. There we go. Yeah, it had to get the input, man. There we go. Now let's type that. Alright, there we go. Pretend this is a list of currencies for now. And let's just exit and see if it exits, and it does. Okay, so we're kind of getting somewhere now. Alright, and so here, for a list of currencies, we are going to need to get the currency values. So here we're going to make a self.all. Oh, come on. Self.all. Okay. And I'm going to put here, just to have it return the value of that one. Okay. Alright. And this needs to get the currencies. So, let's see here. I need a, alright, let's do these. Let's just do at name equals name at $2 equals $2. At inverse equals inverse. It's the end of the initialize method. Okay. Okay, now I need to get the currencies. In order for us to list the currencies, I have to get them off the page. So I need a, well, I need to create the currencies. Let's do def self.create. And it needs to go get the information. So I need HTML equals scraper.getPage. Okay. And let's see here. Okay, and that'll get our scraper page. And then we need to create our currencies and put them into the all from there. So let's go here. And I'm going to put a, well, actually, let's just open this up and see what we got here. Okay, I just like to make that bigger. A little bit bigger. Okay. Okay, so that's just the top 10. So we're going to ignore that one and try to use this one. So let's just see what this is. Rates table. Okay, this is a rates table. Alright. Alright, so I'm going to require pry and let's see here. Put a binding.pry here. Okay, and I need each of these items. So really this is what I need. Table class, table sorter, rates table. And I need to iterate over each of these. Okay. So Table sorter rates table. So we'll just put, the unit of currency is HTML, CSS, table sorter dot rates table tr. Okay, rates table tr. And then each of the TDs. Okay, anyway. Let's go to the CLI, and I'm just going to put, actually, let's just pull that out real quick. And we're going to put, scraper.getPage. And actually, I'll just put currency.create. .create. There we go. And I've got a bonding.pry in there, so that'll show us what we're looking at here. So, alright, let's list it, and it should go right into pry, and it does. Okay, and let's look at what the unit actually is. Okay, US dollar. TD, yeah. Okay. That's right. Alright, let's just clear. Alright. Okay, and let's iterate over that and say unit.eachDo data. Currency is a new currency object. Okay. And the currency name will be data.css. And let's see what the currency name actually is. It's the TD, the first child of each table row. Okay. TD nth child 1, and it will be the text of that. Okay. Alright. Let's just do an end of do and test that out to make sure that works. I'll just put a pry in here in the middle of that. Okay. Actually, and that's not going to be saved anything yet. I really just want to make sure this is the correct text. So I'm just going to put a binding.pry. Even before that, I really just want to see. Okay, let's go to list. Let's go straight into binding.pry. Okay. And let's say unit.eachDo data. Okay. Alright, let's not even do that. Let's do I just want to see unit.css td nth child 1 dot text. Awesome, and there's the text from all of the first childs, or first children if you use correct grammar. Okay, that tells me that that's correct, so we'll just go ahead. Okay, that's the currency name, and now I need the $2 value. $2. Okay, and that's going to be data.css td nth child 2 dot text currency dot inverse will be my guess would be that's the third child. And the text from that. Okay, and let's save all that into the currency dot all. That way we can list it out. Okay. And so that'll save that as an object. Alright. Okay. Now let's just test that out. Actually, let's go into my CLI. And let's create a list. Let's just do self.list. Okay. And list is just going to be the names, so that people can just know the names, so they can access the extra information later. So we're just going to do create an array here of list and self.all.eachDo currency. Add to the list the currency name. Okay, and then we'll put them in alphabetical order by list.sort dot each do currency name puts currency name. Okay. Okay, let's see here. That'll be alright. And I gotta test that out. Okay, we've got currency.create. We'll just leave that in there for now. Okay, and then we'll do currency.list and see how that turns out, see if it actually gives us a list. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, and let's list that puppy. Oh, I forgot to remove my binding.pry. We don't need that anymore for now. So actually, I'll just leave it in there, but I'll comment it out. Well, no, I'll just remove it. Let's just clean it up here a little bit. Okay. And hope I don't have any more. And it lists all of the currencies. Awesome. Let's see, Argentine peso all the way to Venezuelan bolivar. Excellent. Okay, and here I'm just going to type exit for now. Let's go ahead and clear because I just like to keep it clean. And let's see here. Now, if we want to find a currency by name, let's see here in the CLI. We're going to put which currency would you like to see the value of? Okay. Need an equals gets.strip. Okay. And let's just do currency dot find by name input, and I'll just leave that there for now, so we don't even have a find by name yet, so we need to create one. So let's go down here, so just space this out and make it a little neater. There we go. Okay, and let's make a self.find by name, and we're going to have an input as an argument. Self.find by name. Okay, and self.all.find the currency, and we're just going to say the currency's name. Let's do a dot down case. That way, if people make case errors, they don't have to be a problem for us. And we'll down case the input of the gets there. Okay. 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 Let's see. I don't think I'm going to need anything else, so I'm just going to go ahead and commit this. We're going to add everything, and we are going to commit with a message of currency class complete. Okay. Okay. That'll work. And let's see here. I will. Alright, so that's a find by name. So we'll probably use that later. Okay, but I got a list. And let's go back to the CLI because that needs to be finished. So I need the list, and then when the list pops up, I need to be able to find the currency by name that they put using the input argument. And then when I've done that, here, let's just put currency equals currency.find by name. Okay, and we're going to put, let's make them a message for this one. Let's put the value of, and let's interpolate, okay, the value of currency.name. Okay, why do I have an extra of that? Oh, let's put $2 is, okay, to currency dot $2. And the inverse is currency dot inverse. Okay. Let's try that for now. This is, go ahead and put punctuation in there. Okay. Alright, let's list out those currencies. Alright. You know what? I want a space. Let's do let's put a couple of spaces there. Let's just exit because I just want to see. I like a clean. Okay. Excellent. So we've got a couple of lines of space there. That way you know that that's the end of the list. And the currency I would like to see the value for is, let's say, the euro. Awesome. The value of euro to dollars is 0.87, and the inverse is 1.141482. You never know when you might want to convert hundreds of thousands of dollars to some other currency or vice versa. So I don't know. I guess it's good to have that full decimal value of all that for converting mass quantities. Okay, and let's just list again. And it lists it out again. Okay, that's good. Let's try Thai bot this time. Awesome. And I'm just going to put, for the heck of it, let's put a line of space here just to kind of see there. Okay. Let's just exit really quick. Alright. See, I don't have anything that needs saved right now. So I'm just going to put, let's go, currency. Okay, that slash bin slash currency. Let's pull that on up. So list the currencies. Which currency would you like to see the value of? Let's check the Turkish lira. To dollars is 3.515806, and the inverse is that. Okay. I don't know. This can be improved a little bit. This is like a simpler. Let's try. Let me see. Well, actually, what happens if I just put total gibberish in here? Sherbish. Furbish. It has no idea what to do. Can I still? Ah, now it's all jacked up. Now it's totally locked up and doesn't know what to do. That's a Venezuelan Bolivar. I misspelled that. Venezuelan Bolivar. Yep, and it's locked up. It has no idea what to do. List. Okay. Let's exit this and clear. And I got to put some controls in here. Exit to exit. Let's try this. Okay. So I think I'm going to change this to while. While input is not equal to exit. And let's see here. Let's space some stuff out so we can read. Let's just put currency.clear so that each time it's a fresh list in case the rate literally changed just now, which could happen. Let's just change this to see the rate for. Okay. And I'm going to say here until the input is exit here. Oops. Okay. So input use guest.script strip, and we're going to say let's try this. Okay, this is too verbose, I think. Let's say, okay, if the currency is not equal to nil, we're going to put $1 is equal to currency dot $2. And why do I have two sets of brackets? And sometimes this autofill is a pain. It's make enough syntax mistakes without any help. Okay, and let's see here. Currency.name. And let's put a S there in case it's plural or singular or has some kind of other grammatical anomaly to it. And let's say $1 currency to dollars. And let's say the inverse currency dot inverse currency dot name converts to $1. Let's just say $1. And add a couple space. Okay. And let's say okay. Else if currency is not equals nil, and the input is not equal to exit, let's put that is not a valid selection. Oh, and let's put a period there and a couple of lines of space. Okay. And else if the input, if they want to relist it, we're just going to do currency.list and puts which would you like to see the rate for? Okay. Alright. Now I need an end of the if statement. And I need a end of loop. Okay. End of if, end of loop. Let's just space that over so it looks like it's the same block, because it is. There we go. Then when exit is exit. Okay, and And to cover anything previous to the list, I need, let me think here. End of if, end of loop. And in the case, let's put an else. That is not a valid selection. Okay. Instead of just saying end of, let's see here. Instead of saying end of loop, I'm going to say end of, well, I need an end of while. So, end of if. Case, end of while, end of call. Let's do that. And let's try that and hope I didn't have a syntax, because I temporarily spaced out there. Let's see. Okay, Sherbush. Hey, that's not a valid selection, man, because it's gibberish. Gibberish isn't a valid selection. Go figure. Let's put a space in front of that too. Just one line, and try that. Herbert Nerdburger. Awesome. I'm glad that that's not a valid selection. Instead, let's select a list. Undefined method clear for currency class. Of course. Well, let's create one. How about that? Self.clear. End of clear. And at all set to an empty array. There. Okay. There we go. Awesome. Let's list it out. Let's list of garbusers. Undefined local variable or method currency. Let's see, where's that at? CLI number 23. Oh. Yeah. Okay, I meant to do this. Define by name input, which is why I created that method to begin with. There we go. No, need an underscore, not a hyphen. List. Let's list it out. Awesome. Sherbishers. That's not a valid selection. Okay. Well, how about Swiss franc? Oh, that's gorgeous. That's exactly what I want. Okay, what about Thai baht? That's beautiful. What about Skittles? Oh man, come on. Don't you know Skittles is a good currency? Mmm. Especially for Chip Lockter Crime Doctor. Okay, well, let's just exit then. And I'm just going to call this finished. Let's see. Later on, I can add more functionality. I could take, since this is in high decimals, maybe I could actually make a currency calculator as an option to use that will do the math to change vast amounts of currency from one more to the other, and then you can tell, say for example, if you wanted to trade $1 billion for francs, or baht, or euro, or whatever's on this list. So this is pretty much done. So we're just going to git add dot, git commit with a message of basic functionality finished. How about that? Let's just push it up there. Lovely. Okay. And let's refresh this page. And that'll do it. Awesome. Thank you for watching my video.